What up, KDM Culture PH fam? It's your boy Jag, aka vipcars from the KDM Culture PH channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a test with our new vlogging camera, or POV camera, the DJI Osmo Nano. So I'm going to go in and just do a quick little drive. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm going to go do a quick little burger run because I'm starving like Marvin. And we're going to see the the Supernight mode that it offers, and then I would just check it out, how it works or the video looks like on regular mode. So come with me. It's gonna be a short quick little video. I'm just gonna go one way, doing the Supernight mode from DJI Osmo Nano, and then coming back home we're gonna be driving this on regular mode and see which footage looks good, so that way I know which one to use in the near future. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, peace. Money don't sleep and I gotta get paid. Trying to lift myself up, but the devil keeps talking down on me. At the end of the day though, you do you, but I gotta do me. Driving aimlessly, ride deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising over my KDM, don't shit, just ride with me. Driving aimlessly, ride deep thoughts. Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. And as mentioned earlier, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a POV drive, just a short little quick drive. As of right now, I am on 4K 30 frames per second using the Supernight mode on rock steady and on wide lens. I think that's the best it can do. And we're just going to go for a quick little drive here, see how it looks. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm just going to go down the windows a little bit here. About 4 o'clock in the morning, so there's not a whole lot of cars right now, so I'm gonna get on it a little bit. Let me know how it looks. This is in Supernight mode, 4K 30 FPS on rock steady and wide lens. Alright, just gonna do a quick U-turn here. Starting to build up traffic, trying to avoid all that. But yeah, so far this is what it's looking like. And this is also on normal 10-bit, since I don't usually edit my footage anyways. Okay, let me just pull over to the side a little bit here. Right. Let's put my hands on real quick. Supernight mode at the drive-thru on a burger van. Because I'm fat like that. Thank you. Right, nice. Alright, let's go back to normal mode and see what it looks like. Or actually, let's drive for a little bit more longer. definition and not in low res. So how is this video compared to the one I just shot a few seconds ago? Looking at the screen and I'm barely able to see myself, so I'm not sure if it's a good video at this angle. Very low light. But yeah, that's the whole point. That's why I'm doing this comparison, to see if Supernight actually makes a huge load of difference, and see if it's actually worth using in the first place. So I'll check it out, make my decisions based off of this quick little run that I did, and yeah, let me know if it's actually a good camera, good investment, and if it's a good camera that I can start using to start vlogging again. Alright folks, and we are back. Now it is on normal mode, 4K 30 frames per second, rock steady, and on the wide lens. So let's see how this one looks. Slow as shit, but it's okay. It's an economy car. So, windows, get better exhaust sound. Smokes pass. By the way, I'm wearing the hat clip for the POV shots. My first time trying this one out. See how it looks on the POV point of view. Streets are nice and empty at this time of the hour, this time of the day. Earlier, this is still in normal mode, 4K 30 frames per second on rock steady and wide angle lens. Only difference is the other one was on super night mode earlier, so we're just looking to test and see if there's any huge remarkable difference between the two situations like this where it's very low light. Absolutely no light inside the car. As you can see, I've got the star lights on, but other than the cabin or the driver side, all I got is this head unit. So okay, I think that should do it for a quick little test. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one looks better, the super night mode or the regular mode, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Once again, this is your boy Jack, aka VIP accent. Telling y'all as always, treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. I'm out. I'll see y'all on the next one for more car content live. Peace.
Cruising up with my KDM, don't say a word, just vibe with me, let's vibe.